Complexities of identities and entities. In biology, identity is indeed a complex and multifaceted concept. We shall briefly consider examples from humans and bees. Identical twins, monozygotic twins, come from a single fertilized egg that splits into two embryos. These twins have the same genetic material, so their identity is nearly identical at the genetic level. However, they can still have distinct personalities, behaviors, and even physical traits due to environmental factors and epigenetic modifications. The question of whether they are truly the same is philosophical, as their experiences and individual consciousnesses differentiate them. Conjoined twins are a unique case of biological identity where two embryos fail to separate fully, resulting in two individuals physically joining at some part of their body. While these twins share some organs or body parts, each twin usually has its own distinct personality and consciousness. Their identities are complex because, while they share a body or body parts, they are still separate individuals, leading to philosophical and ethical questions about autonomy, personhood, and identity. Chimerism occurs when an individual has two or more genetically distinct sets of cells, typically because of the fusion of two embryos early in development. In humans, this can result in individuals who have different genetic material in different parts of their bodies. Some chimeras are unaware of their condition, which may not manifest in obvious ways. The complexity of identity here lies in the fact that a single person can have multiple genetic identities coexisting within them, raising questions about personal genetic ownership and how identity is defined, whether by genetics, appearance, or other factors. The concept of many entities forming one identity is observed in social organisms such as honeybee colonies. A colony comprises individual worker bees, drones, and a queen, each playing a distinct role. Although each worker bee has its own identity, the collective behavior and organization of the colony create a superorganism with a unified identity. The colony functions as a cohesive unit, exhibiting complex behaviors and accomplishing tasks that no individual bee could achieve alone. In this context, identity continuity extends beyond the individuals themselves, emphasizing the emergent identity of the collective whole.